Good morning, my dear.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. My back hurts a little today.
Have some tea, it'll make you feel better.
Thank you. You always take care of me.
Of course. We are a team.
Do you remember our first breakfast together?
Yes, you burned the toast.
And you still married me.
Because you made me laugh.
You still make me nervous sometimes.
Really, after 40 years?
Yes, you are still beautiful to me.
Look at this picture. We were so young.
Your smile has not changed.
But my hair changed.
I love your white hair.
You always say sweet things.
Because I mean them.
Thank you for staying with me all these years.
There is no other place for me.
We had hard times too.
Yes, but we stayed together.
That is real love.
And I would choose you again.
Walk slowly. The road is uneven.
Hold my hand.
I will never let go.
Promise?
Promise.
True love grows old together.